Hello dears, welcome to my channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I have experience more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google account. First, we need to sign in with your Google account. As you can see with Google Chrome browser, I can click here to change the settings or delete my account. Why would I want to delete my account? I don't want to use this account, so I'm going to delete that. To do that, we need to click on manage your Google account from here, or you can click manage your Google account from Gmail as well. In your left, we have different tabs available. We need to click on data and privacy. When you click on the data and privacy, we need to scroll down so we can find delete your Google account. Now I'm going to click at that. When you click at that, it's going to ask for a password, but we already entered a password. So here you can see we have this delete your Google account. On the top, we need to download your data before we are going to delete this. If you want to download your data, then you need to click here. So what is your data? If I click on the Google apps, when you are going to use any app here, any service from the Google with this account, is going to record that, or it's going to save informations about the apps which you used. And if I scroll down, you can see for the Gmail we have 18 conversations will deleted, and we have the YouTube which is the associated channel will be deleted, or the calendar and the contacts. And if I scroll down, two things here I need to check is first, yes I acknowledge, and the second, yes I want to. And then you need to click on delete your account, and it's going to permanently delete your account. But before that, here you need to read this for your account. All this content will be deleted, and note you can see, and I don't want to delete this account because we made this for testing purpose and also for making tutorials videos for our channel. So that's why I don't want to delete this account for now. And this is how we can delete your Google account. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next